here we are in 8K 24 frames per second, and we have face tracking. So if you're out vlogging, you know, no matter where you are, you put on the face tracking there and you can move around wherever you want, and the Ace Pro is gonna keep an eye on your face. You know, we're moving the camera all over the place, we're walking the dogs, and she's keeping a good track here. Okay, we have tracking on this. It does face tracking. We're moving the Ace Pro around, and it's tracking my face. It's keeping an eye on me. It actually does great tracking. Great tracking, no matter where you move the camera. She's tracking your face. That's really cool. That's really cool. So, for anyone out there vlogging, this is ideal. You don't have to worry, you can move that camera around and it's going to track your face. Yeah, cool feature.